Today's topic is about communication between doctor and patient, and it is playing a key role between the relationship between doctor and patient. So that we will look in this video. So communication that can be considered as a mean of developing trust between doctor and patient. So doctor shall never forget that for every message they intend to give, the values, beliefs, and previous experience of those on the receiving end. Over the receiving end, mostly patient or patient's relative will play a key role in how the message is interpreted. So patient and patient relative are playing a key role for this communication. Whenever any message, if there is a extreme bad or good news, that can create a different type of communication, and that should be interpreted as per their opinion or their values and belief. So it is very important to communicate effectively for every message to the patient. Further, in this communication, effective communication, the kind that enhance the relationship, should be based on a patient centered approach. So basically, whatever the communication or message is delivered to the patient, that should be patient centered approach, and that elicit, understands, and validates the patient's experience within his or her own cultural and psychological context, reaches a shared understanding of the patient problem and treatment, and empowers the patients by offering meaningful involvement in choices about their care. So ultimate target of delivering of any message or communication to give a better care to the patient as well as for the improvement of the patient. So that is the effective communication, or every message should be meaningful. Similarly, this improved relationship will have a positive impact across the organization as well as the institute. When doctor build trust with patients, by example, delivering on promises, caring for the patients, being approachable and listening, then what happen? Then the other medical staff also develop a sense of inner peace and satisfaction, and a desire to contribute to the excellent work for the group or for the whole institute. This facilitates the development of a high performing team, teams that share a common purpose and that pursue lofty goals in the care of their patients. So that effective communication, that is very helpful and beneficial to the whole organization. The doctor patient relationship lies at the heart of healthcare, and patient trust is a fundamental aspect of that relationship. So what are the communication that can enhance or improve the relationship? If a patient trusts a doctor and feels like that they can be honest with that doctor without judgment, they will be more likely to provide information that can help to provide better care and for the quick curing of the disease. So communication is very important or key role for the treatment as well as for the trust development. But how doctor build patient trust? First, doctor need to know what patients want from their relationship with their own doctor. Patient want having a doctor who listen to them, who is compassionate and caring, and who explain well, and that is the most critical aspect of patient healthcare. So development of trust and effective communication playing a key role for successing of any doctor as well as for the institute. So that communication or effective communication, that is beneficial to the whole team of doctor and whole team of the institute. So that's all about the communication between doctor and patient.